Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Perillo, and this is my view in fewer than two. NFTs. What happened to them? Like, I remember when everybody and their grandmother was trying to convince me to buy into this, that, and the other thing. And I know some people are still fans of NFTs. Hey, more power to you. But, I don't hear much about them anymore. And it makes me not really wonder why. Because I wasn't thinking much about them when they were all the rage. And now that nobody's talking about them, I don't necessarily think about them apart from when they crop up in the news. Usually not in good light. Now, that's not to say that digital assets at some point in the future or the idea of phygital is a bad idea in general. It's just that the initial trend pushing towards NFTs, I felt, was just overhyped. It's one of the reasons why I didn't talk about it a lot. Likely will never talk about it a lot. Even the Star Wars one, I believe there were Star Wars ones, right? I'm talking to someone over here like they were, well, there are people over on live.perillo.com powered by StreamYard, certainly. I probably will never get an NFT. It's not my plan. Someone might gift one to me, possibly on some platform, but I don't know what I would do with it. I'd be the kind of guy. I even saw one of these, what are they, the screaming monkeys? What are they called? The chimpanzee characters. These NFTs, right? I walked by a store, an aisle in the store where they sell the little blind boxes and bags. They had those silly little monkeys as phygital. Well, maybe they were phygital, but they were physical. Like, wasn't the whole idea of NFTs is to get away from physical collections? So yeah, no, I'm not in NFTs. Really wasn't in NFTs, and I have no plan on getting in NFTs. Did you? Am I the only one who forgot to turn off my phone with those notifications going off?